All right, slow start. Second pole, first pole is empty. This one's been soaking for 2 hours. There's one nice big keeper in there and one short. So let's get him out. The short guy is a male, but it's way too short. And it is definitely, yeah, it's a Dungeness and not a slender crab. That one. There you go. He's definitely a keeper, but we'll measure him. San Mateo coast, kayak crabbing, 3 hours of hard work. It's a lot of work crabbing. I've only got one keeper male so far. Careful with that. It's male, you can see the skinny apron. It's a telsome. Females, it's much wider to carry the eggs. Don't want to let go of the net. It's okay. Measure inside of this spine to inside of this spine. California, they have to be 5 3/4. This guy is way over. He's more like 7 inches. Maybe not quite 7, but just about 7. All right. Slow start, but at least I'm not going home empty-handed.